to my channel, and today we're just going to be unboxing Lovelula. And yep, so here it is. So this is it. It just comes in a white box like that, and so yeah, so you just have to open it and then we just pull out products. Right, so the first one that I pulled out is a Total Renewal Night Cream. Oh, fantastic. That is a Time Miracle Madara Organic Skincare, and it has birch water in it and cell repair biocomplex. So yeah, so this is after one night, 94% confirm more radiant skin. Wow, that is amazing stuff. So I hope it says what it does. I think I got that right. Right, okay, so then the next item what we have in here, this is like heavy. So this is the Laidbare Hair Today, Gone Tomorrow Hair Moisturizing, Hair Minimizing, Moisturizing with licorice, horse chestnut and marshmallow extract, legs and body. Oh, right, okay, so that's a bit, what do you do with it? It says, Benefit Hair Today, Gone Tomorrow contains a synergetic botanical complex of licorice extract, caffeine and horse chestnut seed extract. Application after bathing, apply the gel to dry skin. Use daily after shaving, waxing for best results. A clever hair minimizing day moisturizer. So I think that this is like for when you have shaved, you just put this on and it's supposed to stop those hairs from coming through. Right. I don't know if that's going to work, but if it works, it goes in the good box. If it doesn't, it goes in the bad box. So that is the way we're going to work it. Right, so then I got, this feels actually like a pretty full box. So we got a Brightening Eye Gel, handmade in the UK and by my favourite company, PHB. So yes, I'm looking forward to using that. Brightens Boosts Eye Cream for gel skincare type. And we have got, this feels so heavy. This is a MOA fortifying, put a spring back into your step, green bath potion and peppermint and fennel. Right, okay, so it's like de-stress the mind and relieve aches and pains. This is a revitalizing magical bath potion. Right, okay. So I have somebody in mind that would absolutely love this. Now this is going to my mum because she just loves all of that de-stressing stuff in her bath. She's not one for bath bombs, but if this is like an oil or something like that, she loves oils and bubble baths. And I can't get into it. Oh, there we go. So, yep, so this is what it looks like. You see it, and oh, it has an amazing smell of peppermint. That is a really nice smell, and I do like that. De-stress and aches and pains and magical bath potion. So she is going to get that. And she is going to be super pleased with that. Right, so that is that. That is really nice. So that was the heavy item. I think that this one's box is actually done. So we've got 5 items there. So we're just going to go through this. This is the Madara Night Cream. You get a leaflet and it tells you what you've got in your box. So this Madara Night Cream retailing at £20. This is a richy, nutritious yet fast absorbing night moisturizer. Softens skin, moisturizes, softens, hydrates, recharges the skin, continue to work. overnight for smoother, restored and radiant skin. So that is their £20. I am not sure on the MOA Green Bath Potion. It's just because they haven't put a price there. So I will just test this out for you. This is supposed to work overnight. You're supposed to be able to feel radiant. Well, not feel radiant, but have radiant skin. Right, okay, so I don't know if this is a full one or it's just a sample, but this is it. I can smell that peppermint. I shouldn't have probably done that one. I'll maybe put it on this one. And I can smell the peppermint and not that, but I'll show you it anyway. So we'll just rub it in. And let's just see what it does. And it's squirting all over. Right, so I'm just going to actually put that top back on before I use all of the product. That is really a nice cream. It actually sinks into the skin really quickly, and it does have a nice scent, and that's because, I don't know if it is because of that bath stuff, but that bath stuff is really nice. Yeah, it is this. This has a gorgeous scent to it. So that is really, really nice, and I like it already. So that is good, and that was £20. This box cost me $14.99, so I already have it back there with that. That was a fantastic item. The one thing I do love is these PHB company things. I love that company. Right, so this is the PHB Brightening Eye Gel treatment. Targets helps visibly reduce dark circles, puffiness. It contains eye bright, neroli and white birch oil, which synergize to boost. And this is, it doesn't have a price on it, so I'm thinking that this may be a sample. And I am just going to show you it. It's like a orange sort of gel. I just want to put a bit on there. It should smell like oranges. Yeah, it does. Has an orangey scent. And as you'll see, it just has a clear serum. Well, it's not clear, it's orange. You see that? It's like an orangey serum-y sort of stuff. So yeah, so you just put that on a night. And yep. So I don't think that is nighttime one, no. That's just eye bright. So that one is the nighttime one. So pretty good now. And then the next item we got, which is the Laidbare, which is this one, which is a clever hair minimizing daily moisturizer. No more unsightly bumps from shaving and waxing with no burn. Also acts as an anti-inflammatory to help the skin protect itself from potential rigors of hair removal. And this is, it doesn't have a price on it, but this month's box is actually worth £71. Wow. So yeah, so you get your money's worth with that. And also you get 20% off the brands in this box: Madara, MOA, PHB, Ethical Beauty and Laidbare. You will just need to simply use the code BBGen18, and that is valid until the 31st of January 2018. So there we go. You see it? There we go. So yeah, so that is the end of my box. If you liked this unboxing video, thumbs up, like, share, and please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next one.